Hi friends, so now I'm going to share my experience of the Leicester Award. One of the main thing which I experienced throughout my time at University of Leicester is various service provided by the careers department and especially the Leicester Award experience. And about the end of my course, I received a good mail about the online networking experience, which would summarize all the experiences which we had. And eventually, we are expected to make our online presence by means of a blog, online CV, etc. So I really gained a lot of experience because during the course I had a lot of good experience. Yes, I got exploration award from the environment team. I got the most media appreciated delegate award in my Model United Nations conference. I also got the most dedicated volunteer award and I got the best delegate award in another Model United Nations at Kingston University, London. It was good, and I was also nominated for a Student Award of the Year. But still, all these achievements were stagnant at one area. I couldn't really project it to the employers or whatever. So the online presence was very important, not only because I want to get employed, but also I want to achieve my vision. So that came this online networking. So it was about creating our online presence. The initial session about Elizabeth Cornish was about creating our online branding, and it really gave us how the session is going to take about, how the course is going to go about, creating our blog, giving a peer feedback, etc. And then we had a very good session about creating our kind of personal branding. So nowadays we need a personal branding, and there was a session by Malcolm which told us about what is branding and how we are going to create that branding. And by this we researched some of the blogs and then really came about with an action plan what we are going to do for the rest of the course, which is about 3 months in the summer. And then we also had a session by Simon Richwald, which told about how employers are looking at, what employers are looking for. Like one thing which really captured was employers are looking for focus. So in our online CV, we are expected to give a clear career statement, which will focus on what we want to do. And then we started developing our blog. And then I developed my blog, putting my basic things which I want to do, especially my United Nations journey, my green journey, and especially I put certain examples where I dealt with a situation which was a real crisis, how I handled one of the situation when I was selected among 200 youths internationally to make action plan for United Nations goal, and the venue for the conference was cancelled at the last minute, and I was able to fix it. So I made that in my blog, so employers would be able to see clearly what I want to do. And later on, we also had a session of giving a peer feedback, and I gave a feedback to one of my colleagues, and from that I really understood how people are going to look at our blog and what they really expect. So in a idea of a third person, so that gave me a very good third person view and look at my own blog in all the areas which I can improve on. So all these gave me a clear online presence, and on the process of developing the blog, I was learning all the skills. In fact, like as I told, I was not so good in using the online media and so on. But after the award, I was very clear in creating my blog. Now, I'm really using it to project to my employers in terms of various skills and in various types of crises I've really handled, because now people are looking for the real-time skills which we applied in real life. So I'm interested in career related to consulting, human resource development, especially in an area where I can create a process change. So I'm applying jobs on that area, and they wanted to see a specific example where I have applied skills. So for that, I have uploaded a blog about a particular situation where I handle crisis on some particular situations where I really changed the way system was working. And I also uploaded an example what are the things which I did to get the most dedicated student award, student volunteer award. So all these things are really giving me a clear vision, and also it's going to help out the employers or the people who want to work along with me to make a clear difference. So altogether, there is a clear online presence which has been created from the time I joined the Online Networking Experience Award till now. So I'm getting a very good development, and also I'm able to project that development in an online media. And all the resources provided through Blackboard on a virtual environment. And the most importantly, the whole course was totally virtual. We were doing discussions, we were commenting on each other's blog, we were involved in online classes, but we didn't meet each other, but we were still doing it. So virtually, we were doing everything, My class is done. The course itself is online. So I enjoyed it. Thanks to Leicester Award and the Career Service and University on the whole. Thank you for listening and spending your valuable time. Bye-bye.